In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the best performing ad creators for your web design agency to run a profitable meta ads to get cheapest leads possible. As you can see in the screen, so this is my ad account, and these are the 3 ads I started running 3 days ago for testing. 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago for testing new strategy. So it has been going really well. As you can see, I got 7 leads. For each lead is costing me $3. So I kind of switched off my best performing ad, which gave me 44 leads for $12. So that was supposed to be my best performing ads, which was giving me each lead for $6. But now it has run its course. It's not giving me the best leads as I need, and it's just keep on spending money, but I'm not getting any leads. So I ran this new three ad creatives, and it has been killing it. And to ensure you with a double banger, let me show you. So this is my coaching members ad account. So he started working with me a couple of days ago, and just for him, I wanted to run the ads from my end. As you can see in my agency, in my ad account, I've been tested 30 different ad creatives throughout 3 months. And I only give my high performing ads to my coaching members. So I gave my high performing ads to my coaching member. Because of that, he's getting each lead for $5. I thought when he's starting out, he needs to warm up his account and it's gonna charge him around like $20 for each lead. No, he spent $20 for last 24 hours. He got $25. He got 6 leads by spending $25. And he's getting each lead for $5. And what we do is we sell free websites, and that's why our cost per lead is low, and you cannot find any strategy to lower your cost per lead, because I've been testing lots of different ads and I've found the best performing ad, the best performing ad title, ad description, and ad tags, and what all the small elements you need to take care of to get this kind of results. So technically, he's paying $5 a lead, let's say for the 6, and he also booked those meetings. And if he closed one of the client, at least minimum one, I'm pretty sure he'll close more than one. At least if he closed one of those clients, he will charge $100 for each client. And it already paid for itself. The $25 he paid for the ads, it paid itself. And guess what? That $100 is just not going to be for this month. He's going to get paid every single month for each and every client. Let's say he closed 3 of these 6 booked meetings, which he got the next day. It's just a results from one day. Let's say he closed 3 clients for the price point of, let's say, $300. That's almost $1,000 with this strategy. And I can't stress you enough to let you guys know that cold outreach, yes, if you don't have money, you do have to go with cold outreach. But if you have even small amount of money lying around to invest in your business, again, you're not spending the money, you're investing inside your business to make more money. If you have that money to invest, please invest inside your agency and start closing more clients. Again, I can't stress you enough, if you're doing cold outreach, it's a headache. I tried literally everything. I tried doing cold calling. I even did cold walk-ins, where I actually go inside the business and pitch my services. I pitched my services to my friends and family. I begged my clients to get me more clients as a referral. I started posting videos, which I still do, by the way, but not as I used to be. And much more. I did Instagram DM, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp outreach, email marketing. Literally, if you thought about something, I did it. And trust me, the last 3 months where I've been running ads, everything has been amazing. And I even had a best day of my life, closing $7,000 in just one day by running ads. So the reason why I'm making this video is to show you guys that it is possible, even if you don't have too much money, like $2,000, $3,000 to spend on ads. even if you have $500 or $600 a month to play with the ads and you can still get clients. And the reason and the way you get these ad creatives is, this is what I did, and the 30 ad sets I have tested is by using a free place called Ad Library. So when you go inside the Facebook ad library, what you have to do is click on all countries and category all leads, and just pick any one of the niche you want to do. Like if you're doing marketing, you can search the marketing term. Since we are selling free websites, that's what we're going to do. We're going to search for free websites, and there are lots of other agencies who are doing the same and profitable. And these are the two agencies who have been killing it inside their niche. And this agency is from the US and this is from the UK. Let's go with the US guys who have been doing this for a while. So 3 years ago, when I was scrolling through Instagram, I saw one of their ads, and that's where everything clicked. That's where, instead of doing lots of other business model, I stick with running free website. And when you go inside their ad library, you can literally see what kind of ads they're running. And as you can see, if you can see the dates, let's say December 2025 and August 2025, almost a year. So you have to pick the date and the relevancy of your niche, and you can get the titles, you can get the description, you can get the ad creatives, and you can even watch the videos they're running. So you can create a similar kind of video of these agencies. And trust me, this is going to be a life changer for you if you are running everything by yourself. Because I have to let you know, guys, that if you're testing out every ad by yourself, you need to have a bigger ad spend in your first few weeks or first few months, because you don't know what's working. You need to figure out what's working by yourself by testing lots of ads, making mistakes, making expensive mistakes, because you'll be running lots of ads, let's say anywhere from $20 to $50 a day. That's gonna add up even if you don't get any leads. So right now you have two different options. You can go inside ad library and sneak peek all the ads your competitor is running, and you can search up their what kind of ads they're running and copy the exact same thing. And trust me, sometimes it will work, sometimes it doesn't, because I've been doing this for past 3 months and none of their ads helped me. So I have to pick elements from each and every ads, including this agency and the other agency, and I have to combine everything together to make something work for me. After 3 months, I've been profitable and I'm happy with that. And after 3 months, I am happy that I'm helping people to get similar results in just 1 day. So you can do the same thing. You can go inside the ad library, test it by yourself, or if you don't want to mess up everything, what you can also do is, inside my community, I've put everything together. As you can see, when you go inside the classroom, I wanted to show you another thing. 6 hours ago, 4,000 in monthly recurring revenue. So this guy joined on March when he got his first client for $750. Now he's in 4,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Just showing you guys that it is possible. But getting to the point, when you go inside the classroom, this is where you get access to the full meta ads. If you want to do the ads, Facebook, the cold outreach, you have that as well. Everything from friends and family, cold walk-ins, cold calling, Instagram DM, Facebook group, content, and referral. But if you don't want to do that, you can straight away go inside the Facebook ads, which you will be getting everything. All the settings you have to have inside your meta ads and all the ad creatives. You may have all the settings on point. 99% of this stuff is done. But if you don't have the best performing creative, no one is going to click on the ads. And if none of them are going to click on the ads, even if you throw thousands of dollars on the ads, if people are not willing to click on the ads and submit the form, you will not get any clients, even if you have money. So let me quickly show you what kind of ad creatives will perform well. So we have two different options. You can go with static ads, or you can go with video ads. As I mentioned, I can't really show my actual ads because I don't want to ruin my own business. I only show and use my ad creatives to my coaching members and the members inside the community. So this is the type of ads I'm using. It's not the exact ads, the type of ads I'm using inside the agency. And again, you have video ads as well. You can literally see this inside the ad library. You can snoop around all the other agency. And that's how you get the leads for $3 a lead. And if that lead converts into client, you are efficiently turning $3 into $100. That's how easy it is to get clients with the free website. As you can see, these are actually free website ads. And the reason why I'm saying this is, let me show you the software I'm using. So this is the software called Go High Level, and this is where we built our free website. And this is an AI generated website. But trust me, these websites are epic, and this website actually has all the SEO built in. So it's going to actually convert customers to your clients. And we also have the prompt inside the community. So you can just click and paste the prompt and build a website, and that's just going to take almost less than 2 minutes. And we do this before going inside the meeting. And inside the meeting, this is the closing script. So we will walk them through everything, and finally we'll show the price and they will pick the price. Or if they are just going with the cheapest option, we will push them to upsell to the unlimited or pro pricing. You will also get this inside the community. And if you signed up to Go High Level with my affiliate link, which is link is in the description, and start paying for the subscription of this software, Go High Level will give some commission to me. So I will be helping you guys and giving you access to my community totally for free. If you start using my link and start paying for the subscription, you can get access to everything. Inside the meta ad course, you have all the title, description, ad creatives itself, what I'm personally using inside my agency, and all the settings you have to do inside your meta ad so that you can get similar leads, just like my coaching members and myself. And if you don't want to do everything by yourself, maybe the risk of losing some money when you're running ads, you can obviously get my help. Click the first link in the description, book an onboarding call to work one-on-one with me. I will set up your ad accounts. I will take care of everything by myself from my end. You don't even have to go inside your ad account. I will set up the ads. I will create the ad creatives. I will put the ads in the description. I will send the leads to you so that you can call them, book them, and get the payment from these clients. Since it's a big project, I only work with 2 members a month. So I have 1 guy I've signed up already, and I have 1 more spot. And if you want the spot, again, click the first link in the description, book an onboarding call. If I can feel like I can help you, we can start working together, and you will get your first client in the next day, just like Jaime did. So I hope you got some value out of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.